Good evening, everybody. Thought I'd do an update on the bench planter. If you go back and look at my previous video, my first video, it was a raw wood planter that was built for me. It's now been painted. I have it filled with a few things, and that right there is a small cherry tree that I bought. Sprinkle some flower seeds in there in these also, but they haven't come up. It's been kind of on and off dry. This is a gardenia that I replanted. It's struggling, so the leaves look a little ragged there. And this is a failed attempt to germinate some peppers and eggplant seeds, but I threw some flower seeds up under those, so again, they're not germinating. We have another gardenia that again was transplanted, is stressed out with the yellowing leaves. Empty planter again where I put flower seeds that have not come up. And we have another cherry tree down here on the end, trying to get a little symmetry with the cherry trees on the end. So just to back up and give you guys an angle, we decided on a gray color of the seating area. This is what it looks like. And we kind of, because we had like a little slope from the left of the camera that came down, and we built a sitting area. And that black stuff is just black rubber mulch. And we have the fire pit in there. Well, the fire pit's not in there yet, but that's where it would go with the bricks around. And I think it came out really nicely. So looking forward to using this. And just give you guys a view right here of what it looked like. So it really turned out very nice, in my opinion. This is the garden planter. Can't wait to use it once it starts cooling off and we can sit around it with friends and family and enjoy a fire and just have a nice time. Still got a lot to do around the area, but for the most part, I think it turned out really nice. So tell me what you think, guys. I know in the other video, some people expressed concerns about just leaving it bare, but I'm in the southeast and it rains a lot. It will have quickly rotted or been damaged or something. Of course, we could have put a clear stain, but we didn't. I think that really turned out nice. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Still got a little tweaking to do to seating areas. Sorry for the shaking on the camera. I am carrying it.